digital landscape of 2025, the quest for passive income has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking to supplement your earnings or embark on a new financial journey, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities. Let's start the video into 10 passive income side hustles that can help you make money online this year. Number 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by promoting products and earning commissions on sales made through your referral. In 2025, the industry is set to surpass $20 billion globally, proving its staying power. With platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareSale, it's easy to get started, even for beginners. The key to success is selecting high-converting products and creating engaging content to attract a loyal audience. Once set up, affiliate marketing can provide passive income, even when you're not actively working. The beauty of this side hustle is that it allows you to promote products you truly believe in, making it easier to build trust with your audience. As your traffic grows, so does your income. Number 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without managing inventory. When a customer buys, the supplier ships the product directly to them. The global dropshipping market is projected to grow to over $500 billion by 2027, showing its explosive potential. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo streamline the setup process, making it easy for beginners to dive in. By tapping into social media and effective marketing strategies, dropshipping can become a low-risk, scalable business that earns money on autopilot. Unlike traditional retail, dropshipping eliminates the need for large, upfront investments in inventory. It's a perfect side hustle for anyone interested in e-commerce, without the complexities of managing stock. Number 8. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products without maintaining any inventory. Services like Printful and Teespring handle production and shipping for you. With the POD market expected to hit $10 billion by the end of 2025, it's an excellent choice for creative entrepreneurs. You just create the designs, upload them, and promote your products online, earning passive income every time someone makes a purchase. The best part is that you don't need a huge upfront investment, just your creativity. POD allows you to test different designs and products to see what resonates with your audience, without the financial risk of bulk purchasing. Plus, it's an eco-friendly business model since products are made only when an order is placed. Number 7. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a specific field, creating online courses or ebooks can generate significant passive income. The global e-learning market is expected to surpass $375 billion by 2025, making it one of the fastest-growing industries. Platforms like Udemy and Amazon KDP make it easy for creators to sell their content. Once the course or book is created, it continues to sell with minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to earn while helping others learn. Whether you're an expert in coding, photography, or personal finance, there's always demand for knowledge. You can even package multiple courses together or create a subscription model for continued income. This is a great way to leverage your skills for long-term profit. Number 6. YouTube content creation. YouTube allows creators to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, the platform offers an enormous audience for any type of content. In 2025, YouTube is projected to pay out over $10 billion in ad revenue to creators. If you consistently create engaging content, your videos can generate passive income long after they've been uploaded. What's even better is that once you build a loyal subscriber base, you can start diversifying your income through brand deals and merchandise. Video content also has the potential to go viral, increasing exposure and earnings exponentially. If you're camera shy, no worries, you can still create engaging videos through animations, voiceovers, or slideshow-style content. Number 5. Blogging. Blogging can be a profitable way to share your passions and generate passive income. Full-time bloggers can earn around $50,000 annually, with some top earners making 7 figures. By monetizing through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing, your blog can become a consistent source of income. The real key is to create content that resonates with readers, and once you attract an audience, the money starts rolling in. SEO, search engine optimization, is essential for driving organic traffic to your blog. So understanding the basics can give you a massive edge. Whether you're blogging about personal finance, travel, or food, there's always room for new voices. As your blog gains momentum, it can run on autopilot, continuing to bring in income even when you're not actively working on it. Number 4, stock photography. Stock photography is a great way to earn passive income if you love taking pictures. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to upload their work and earn royalties each time someone downloads their photos. The stock photography industry is expected to be worth over $5 billion by 2025. Whether you specialize in landscapes, lifestyle, or business imagery, there's always a demand for quality photos. The key is to upload high-quality, well-composed images and optimize them with the right keywords so they can be discovered easily. Once uploaded, your photos can generate revenue continuously, without you having to actively do anything. It's the perfect side hustle for photographers who want to make money off their hobby, without the hassle of selling prints or working with clients. Number 3, mobile app development. Mobile app development offers huge potential for passive income, with the global app market expected to reach $407 billion by 2025. Apps can be monetized through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Platforms like Flutter and React Native make app development more accessible than ever, even for beginners. Once your app is built and marketed, it can generate a steady stream of income with little ongoing maintenance. If you create a game, utility, or educational app, you can tap into a global market and potentially earn millions. The key to success lies in creating an app that solves a problem or enhances users' experiences. With the right marketing, your app can generate income around the clock, making it one of the most scalable passive income opportunities. Number 2, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending connects borrowers with individual investors, allowing you to earn interest by lending money. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper offer returns ranging from 5% to 12%, depending on the loan's risk. The P2P lending market is expected to grow 15% annually through 2025. By lending money to individuals or businesses, you can build a diversified portfolio and earn passive income from the interest. P2. P-lending platforms handle all the logistics, making it a hands-off investment. While there are risks, the potential returns make it an attractive passive income option. It's an opportunity to put your money to work while helping others access the capital they need. Number 1, vending machines. Vending machines provide a reliable, low-maintenance, passive income source. The vending industry generates billions annually, and with the right locations, it can be highly profitable. Machines can be stocked with snacks, drinks, or healthier options, and you only need to restock periodically. With cashless payment options and data analytics, managing your vending machines has never been easier. In 2025, the demand for vending machines in high-traffic areas like schools, offices, and gyms is expected to keep growing. Once you invest in the machines and choose the right locations, they continue to work for you 24/7. It's a perfect side hustle for someone looking for a steady, hands-off income stream. And there you have it, 10 amazing passive income side hustles you can start in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks.